Hello, welcome to the Columbia restaurant. My name is Andrea Gonzmart and I'm 5th generation of the Columbia. Today we're going to be making our famous Cava Sangria. Cava Sangria is very similar to a traditional sangria, which is made with red or white wine, but we use sparkling wine, and we are using Cava wine, which is the sparkling wine of Spain. In addition to the sparkling wine, we're going to be adding Spanish brandy, and we're also going to be adding a Spanish orange liqueur. So of course, if you don't have Spanish brandy or Spanish orange liqueur, you're more than welcome to use any kind of brandy you have on hand or any kind of orange liqueur. And if you don't have one, you can always just double up on the other. So let's get started. We've got one whole orange. Half of this orange is actually gonna go towards garnishing our glasses, and the other half is gonna go towards, obviously, the sangria. We've got half of a lime. These pretty little slices are for garnishing our glass. Now we're going to add our cava. The great thing about this sangria is you can drink it while you're outside enjoying a warm day in Florida. You can drink it on special occasions. There's no rules for this. Everybody loves the sound of a bottle of bubbly opening. I went ahead and filled my pitcher up with ice, and of course you can always add more ice later on if you need to. We're gonna add 1/4 ounce of the brandy. If you wanna go heavy with it, feel free. Same goes for the orange liqueur, 1/4 ounce. Splash of lemon lime soda. If you don't have lemon lime soda, that's okay. I would probably just add a little bit more extra lime, maybe a lemon. A lot of times when you're making sangria, you gotta taste it while you're making it to get it where you want it to be. Simple syrup. So this is kind of one of those things that you need to add it to your liking. It depends on how sweet you want your sangria. I'm gonna add a little splash for now. We're gonna add our half of an orange. And if you don't have fresh orange on hand, feel free to just use orange juice. Now we'll garnish our glass, an orange, a lime, and if you have a cherry on hand, go ahead and add it. You know what'd even be more fun? A strawberry maybe. And that's the Cava Sangria from the Columbia restaurant. Salud. Cuando siento un cha 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 a mi lado sonar.